Welcome to MECh Engineers. Safety is at the core of everything we do. This induction video will guide you through essential safety measures that protect our employees, contractors, and visitors. Our workplace follows the highest standards, including ISO 14001 and ISO 45001. Your safety is our priority. Protect yourself, wear the right PPE. All personnel must wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. This includes helmets, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Ensure your PPE is in good condition before entering the site. Always follow PPE requirements for different work zones. Emergency preparedness saves lives. In case of fire or other emergencies, follow the evacuation route displayed on safety boards. In an emergency, every moment counts. Stay calm, follow safety procedures, and act quickly to protect. Do not run or panic. Walk calmly toward the nearest exit, following the evacuation path. Once at the assembly point, wait for the head count. A complete head count ensures no one is left behind in a dangerous area. Fire extinguishers are located throughout the facility. Learn how to use them. Participate in regular emergency drills to stay prepared. Proper material handling prevents injuries. Ensure the belt is properly secured to the hook. Use the correct lifting points to keep the load stable. Every crane has a safe working load capacity. Never exceed the rated capacity. Always verify the load weight before lifting. Hand signals guide crane operators for safe and smooth operations. A trained person gives clear directions. Utilize a transfer trolley to safely move materials, reducing injuries and improving efficiency. When lifting manually, never lift beyond your capacity. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and hold the load close to your body. Handling gas cylinders safely prevents accidents. Use proper trolleys, keep them upright, secure them with chains, and ensure the valve cap is in place before moving. Handling chemicals requires strict safety measures. Always check MSDS sheets and chemical labels before use. If you notice a coworker handling chemicals without proper safety measures, step in right away to prevent potential harm. Use the required PPE, including gloves and face shields, when working with hazardous materials. High-risk tasks require proper permits and precautions. Before commencing any work at height, always wear a full-body harness and securely attach it to an approved anchor point. Use only certified ladders and scaffolds and ensure proper fall protection measures are in place at all times. Working at heights must follow strict safety protocols. Use only certified safety equipment and wear fall protection gear where required. Before entering a confined space, check the temperature and ensure all safety measures are in place. Always follow safety protocols and issue the work permit only after all precautions are confirmed. Hot work and confined space entry come with serious risks. Always follow safety protocols and never work without a permit. Workplace hygiene is essential. Before and after starting any work or activity, always wash your hands thoroughly and use sanitizers to prevent contamination. Always encourage a safety-first culture. If you see something unsafe, stop it immediately. A clean and safe workplace protects everyone. Accidents must be reported immediately, no matter how minor. Working at heights comes with risks. If an accident happens, do not hesitate. Act immediately. Assess the situation and call for medical help if needed. Use the on-site first aid kit for initial care until medical help arrives. If the injury is severe, call an ambulance right away. Timely medical attention is crucial. Always report the incident to your occupational health and safety team. Proper reporting helps prevent future accidents. All visitors must attend a safety briefing. Upon arrival, all visitors must register at the reception and receive a visitor pass. To ensure safety, visitors must wear the required protective equipment, follow the designated pathways, and stay within guided areas. Please comply with all IMS protocols for a safe visit. At MECh Engineers, safety is not just a rule, it's our culture. By following these guidelines, we create a safe, efficient, and sustainable workplace for all. Thank you for making safety a priority.